beans and greens soup. I started with a pound of sausage. If you use spicy sausage or sausage paste, you might want to add fennel seed. The fennel puts a lovely flavor in the background. And I'm going to use fresh fennel as one of our vegetables that's going down into the drippings. So brown off sweet or hot sausage in olive oil. To the drippings, while that's browning, you can chop your veg. I'm gonna add fennel, celery, onion, and parsnip. Just kind of like a carrot with an attitude, as my friend Emily says. You could use carrots, of course, but I happen to have parsnips. And they do add a little spice to it, so I like the balance. Season with salt and pepper to get the water to come out of the veg and loosen up the drippings in the bottom of the pot. And I'm also going to throw in, so they can reconstitute, chopped sun-dried tomatoes, or these little beauties are super sweet. They're semi-dried cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna slice up several cloves of garlic and throw that in there. If you want a mellow garlic flavor, roast a whole bulb and add the roasted garlic paste. These guys are gonna mellow out and get nice and tasty as the soup cooks down. So I'm gonna put in 4 fat cloves of sliced garlic. We're gonna wait and add our beans in a bit. I'm gonna chop up lots of rosemary and throw that in there, and I'll meet you right back here. We have sweet Italian sausage with fennel. Our vegetables already cooking away nicely in the pot. Then we add 2 quarts of chicken stock and cannellini beans. And that's it. We let this come up to a bubble, cook it till your vegetables are tender. Last minute before you serve, wilt in 1 large or 2 medium heads of escarole, coarsely chopped. That's kind of it. I'm wilting in our escarole last minute. There's a big hunk of our rind. I'll pull that out. There we go. So I charred some bread, just rub it with garlic, and drizzle it with oil, good fruity, deep flavor, extra virgin olive oil, and finish it with a little flaky sea salt. So I wilted our greens into our soup. This has got the sausage, the semi or sun-dried tomatoes, the escarole, all of our veg cooked out. So thick and glorious. Oh. Then I take our grated cheese, put that all over the top, a little sprinkle of the white onion, and then I shove the bread right into the soup on the side.